Hello guys, I'm going to do a video of Pet Simulator X again. Now I've got this DLC code that I want to get, so I want to go to this lucky place, Cat World, the new place that's just came out a week ago, and the new update's going to come out very soon. So let's go to Cat World, and hopefully it'll give us luck. And I think I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, I need to go to shop. This place will give me luck. Alright, so let's redeem this real quick. Where is it? Here we go. Just give me 1 sec. Alright, let's redeem. And let's see. Season 1 gift. Now, let's see where it is. Alright, here we go. This would be a hard one. I know my boosters are on here. Ultra lucky, super lucky. Let's do this. Alright. Got a mosaic dove. Oh, that's alright. I gotta say, that's alright. That was a pretty good one. So anyways, please like and subscribe, because I do these videos weekly and they're really fun to do, but sometimes they're hard. So I gotta keep grinding some of these stuff, and I thought I got a new hoverboard. Nope. Just have the same old 2 hoverboards. I think they're gonna add a new hoverboard in the next update, which is coming very soon, just like in a few days. And then I got my pet out just to see what my friend will trade me. Yes, what's up? What's up? Why you ignore me? Doing a video. Alright, okay. I will never. What do you mean you will never? Or what do you mean you never, bro? There he is right there. I don't have this place unlocked yet, but soon I will get it unlocked. So let me see how good this plays. Alright, so it is an exclusive. It's not great right now. It's not bad. Like, this is Cat World. So it is a harder place to do this stuff. Let me see if he has an enchantment or something. Companion 2. Pet will always be 60% as strong as your best pets. Ooh. Agility. Alright, that's actually a pretty good pet. I like it. Alright, so let me go there. Hello. Wait, were you talking to me, bro? I don't think he was. No, you weren't, bro. You weren't. I was doing something. So anyways, what's up, dude? You're in one of my videos. Hi. You're in my video. You're in my video. So this is gonna take a while. My pets aren't great, and I can't wait until I can get hardcore. Hello what? Hello world? Hello world? Is that what you're trying to say? Well, anyways, guys, please like and subscribe. Even this guy. Everyone sub to this man. He is the best. Thank you. Yes, you have to do that. He said so. He's the boss of me. Well, he's technically not the boss of me, but guys, please like and subscribe. He said it. Subscribe. Yeah, guys. Subscribe to Dag. Okay. Yeah. Alright. I want to see if I can go to hardcore. And oh yeah, I forgot. I still have I need to go to Dark Tech. I had some pets that I wanted to try out. Okay, let me go to where's here we go. So let me see if it's done. Nope, 2 more days. Alright, I gotta wait 2 more days. So yeah. Let's wait, and I want to show you guys how quick this. I haven't tried out how quick these pets, because my friend gave me these pets. He's a really nice guy. He said these are literally useless to him. I don't know why he said they're useless, because they're really good to me. But then I do have these other pets that are good, not great. I do have a lot of hell chicks and hellhounds. I like catching hell rocks. And that's quick. Wow, that's quick. Normally that would take ages on me. Wow. Wow, that was actually pretty quick. Alright, I'm gonna go back to Cat World. And I think I might cry. Alright. Now let's just get that. I need 70 billion to go to the next world. I have 2 billion. Yep, 2 billion, not much, but who cares? Come on, chest. Alright, let me see if my index. I want to go to my index. Let's see. Here we are. Oh, 266. I need another 44 pets. I need to hatch 44 pets to, yeah. I think I can hatch that much, but I don't know, because then I can get 6 pets equipped, which I would love, guys. So yeah, it's hard though. Well, my friend said that in hardcore, if you go over this one, no, it's this one. If you're in hardcore, you can go over here, and there's this gate, and it just says lock. You need to go in hardcore. Then I think you get in here, and it might unlock a hoverboard, or it might give you a pet. I think it might give you probably I don't know, but you probably want to try it. Yeah, it's pretty. Wait, I didn't see the cat hoverboard. Oh, it's there. Cat hoverboard. How do you get it? You gotta go to mastery and complete the whole thing. It needs to be 99 everything. That has to be 100%. Mine is only 17%. Yeah, I need a lot more percent. Then all I want is to get 25%. Then I can go to hardcore, which my friend said is very, very hard. Alright, so need that. Alright, so let's go back to the shop. I don't think I will buy that thing because it's just a waste of time. Yeah. So let's go over here. Let's go here, and I think I might buy one of these. Got the golden rush cat. That's alright, I gotta say. One of these. Oh, I don't have enough. Oh my gosh. Alright, so that is actually pretty good. Wait, I got 2. Oh, I had so many of these. I made one into one. Alright, that isn't bad. I'm gonna have my cool one out. So this guy. Why are you floating, dude? Dude, kill 0.0000065. AFK. I'm gonna go to I'm gonna go Trading Plaza, guys. I'm going to Trading Plaza. Alright, I'm gonna go to Trading Plaza, guys. What? This guy's like my BFF. Okay. I think the other guy, that guy, Mr. Bloxer, is happy that I'm leaving. Alright, so let's go to Trading Plaza. And I barely go down here, but I'm gonna hatch one anyways. I have max, but now I don't. I wish I could skip this. And I get Dominus Infernus. I hate those pets. Oh wait, I just lost 1 million. Let's go to Trading Plaza, guys. And let's see what people offer for this exclusive. Or maybe the pets I have. Because I know a lot of people will be like, oh my gosh, an exclusive? Yeah. Alright, let's go here. Load up any second now, guys. Big games, you gotta upload. I mean, not upload. You gotta just... Come on. Yes, finally. Alright. Trading exclusive. Trading exclusive. Trading exclusive. Not this pet. Trading exclusive. Anyone? 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 Trading exclusive. Trading an exclusive. Come on, guys. You know you want it. Or something. Come on. Anyone at all. Just gonna trade random person. Random person. Alright. I do have an exclusive. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, me. Alright, Jax. Not that much. That it? Party cat? Nah. Something else, please, bro. Not the party cat, dude. Alright. I need a random cat. Alright, what do you? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'd trade that. Oh my god. I would love a Hellrock. Literally no one. Roblox YT ignored me. Fortnite. Brr. Scary Corgi, brr, no. Alright, who's random person? Random person. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna leave the Trading Plaza. No one is here for offers. Goodbye. Alright. Let's go back. And the countdown is coming down, and I can't wait for it. Alright. I'll try and hatch one of these eggs that I really want to hatch, and then I'll end the video right there. So, please like and subscribe, like my friend said. Alright, so I want to go over here now. And it is here. Right. And I got a first try. Guys. Alright, see you in the next video, which will probably be tomorrow or any random day. Please like and subscribe.